Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook stir-fry kamuti tops with oyster sauce. Okay, just a little water, the pork, garlic, onions, tomatoes, and then the kamuti tops. Okay, so to start, the onions, tomatoes, so the pork is cooked already. You can use the pork which is not cooked yet, but I use the cooked one already because it's very quick. Okay, either chicken or pork, okay, you can use it. Kamuti tops. A little soy sauce, just a little pepper, some salt, and then oyster sauce, guys. And then we're gonna add just a little water. And we're gonna simmer this one for maybe 2 minutes, guys, for 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, guys. It's already cooked. Our stir-fried kamuti tops with oyster sauce. It's done. Okay, look at that one. Okay, the tomatoes and the pork. Okay. Okay. It's super yummy, guys. Okay, so our stir-fried kamuti tops with oyster sauce is done. It's super yummy, very affordable. If you have a garden of kamuti tops, so you can use it. So it's very affordable and easy and quick to make. Okay, so just follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Broja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Yummy!